In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted objects from your photos using Canva, a quick and easy method that will take just about 5 minutes of your time. Whether it's an accidental photo bomber or an unsightly item cluttering up your background, being able to effortlessly remove these distractions can truly elevate the quality of your photos. So let's dive in and walk you through the simple process step by step. First, you'll need to access Canva. If you're not already on the platform, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Once you're logged in and ready, go ahead and upload the photo you'd like to edit to your Canva design workspace. Once your image is uploaded and placed in the design area, you're ready to begin the editing process. Start by clicking on the image you wish to edit, which will select it and bring up the options menu. Located at the top of the Canva interface, you'll see an option labeled Edit Image. Click on this and it will open up a varying set of tools and effects that you can apply to your photo. The next step is to locate the Magic Eraser tool. It is important to note that this feature is available to Canva Pro users, so make sure you have access to this version. The Magic Eraser is a powerful feature that can help in seamlessly removing objects. Once you've found it, click on the Magic Eraser to activate it. Now comes the fun part. You'll want to highlight the object or section of the photo that you wish to erase. Using your cursor, simply click and drag over the area you want to remove. As you make your selection, you'll notice the highlighted area will adjust accordingly to cover the unwanted object entirely. Finally, once you've highlighted the necessary area, look for the erase button and click it. Canva will work its magic and you should see the selected object vanish from your photo, leaving behind a clean and distraction-free image. This tool utilizes advanced algorithms to fill in the gaps with surrounding pixels for a smooth, natural look. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to effortlessly remove unwanted objects from your photos using Canva. This simple yet powerful feature can make a world of difference, especially if you're aiming to achieve a polished and professional final product. Don't forget to save your edited image by downloading it in your desired format. Feel free to explore more of Canva's features to further enhance your photos. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy editing your photos and unleashing your creativity.